peer-to-peer networking application. This is our team members. First, centralized directory, Napster. So for the introduction, Sean Fanning, he creates Napster. It is music file sharing computer service, and it started in 1999. Then, it allows users to share electronic copies of music store on their computers via the internet. As a result of the file sharing, a legal battle over digital rights emerged, prompting the development of digital rights management software to battle computer copyright piracy. Napster's arrival in 1999 signaled the beginning of decentralized peer-to-peer P2P music sharing over the internet. Moreover, in 2001, Napster has 2.2 million users per day and 28 terabyte data with 122 servers. But in 2001-2, Napster also shut down. Idea Central Directory distributed contents. Users register files in a directory for sharing and search in the directory to find files to copy. So, how it works? This is called peer-to-peer sharing, P2P. Let's look at the diagram on the left. Firstly, user needed a copy of the Napster utility installed on user's computer, and then a shared directory on our computer that can be accessed by remote users, and lastly, internet access of some kind. And then, the provider of the song needed must have a copy of the Napster utility installed on user's computer, a directory on a computer that has been shared so that someone else could access it, some type of internet connection that was on, lastly, in the designated shared directory, a copy of the song. Moreover, how to search file? Firstly, client connect and queries to server. Secondly, server return a list of match. Thirdly, client connects to the client hosting the file. And lastly, allowing private transfer. Let's go to see what is the advantages of Napster. Firstly, it is free because people can use the download services without paying anything. So it means they can get any release CD for free simply by typing in the correct artist or album titles. These arguments becomes even more important in light of the frequently exaggerated prices for certain music items, particularly CDs. Other than that, it is very simple and easy. The step-by-step is very easy to follow and easy to understand. Search is handled by a single server. Lastly, having new songs is extremely beneficial. Why? This is because any user will be willing to share their files at any time of day or night. Even if the day is a holiday, the latest song is likely to have been shared.
Okay, next is disadvantages for Napster application. So first, it's easy to be sued because resources are distributed but the index service are not. So it's easy to detect copyright infringement. Next is cost money to maintain. It's also scalability or performance bottleneck. And lastly, server is single point of control. So no directory, no Napster. Next application is GNutella. It is query flooding peer-to-peer network type. Okay, here's some introduction about GNutella application. Okay, GNutella is the first decentralized peer-to-peer network application. It's developed by Tom Pepper from Nowsoft and Justin Frankel. GNutella started in early 2000. It allows users to do a file sharing or searching and mostly is to share music files. GNutella allows network members to share any file type. GNutella's population keep increasing and become most popular file sharing network on the internet in late 2007. GNutella is also based on query flooding. It have communication protocol which are ping for discover who's on network, pong reply to ping, query for search a file, query hit for reply to query, push is for download request for firewall servants.
How GNutella works. The most popular system for sharing file is another peer-to-peer network called GNutella or the GNutella network. User needed run a piece of GNutella software to connect to the GNutella network. User place the file they want to share on their hard disk and make them available to everyone else for downloading in peer-to-peer fashion. How a GNutella client find a song? First, type in the name of the song or file you want to find. Next, the machine knows of at least one other GNutella machine somewhere on the network. Third, machine search to see if the request file is on the local hard disk. At the same time, all of these machines send out the same request to the machine they are connected to, and the process repeats. A request has a TTL, which is time to live, limit placed on it. Advantage. First, fully decentralized design. Next, no control node. Cannot be shut down. This is because there is no one machine that controls everything. Next, searching is distributed. It has the ability to search by artist, title, genre, or other information. Lastly, work all the time. As long as you can get to at least one other machine running Genitalia software, you are able to query the network. Lastly, disadvantage. The advantage for Genitalia, which is flooding, is inefficient. Searching may require contracting a lot of system, require limit hop count. Well-known nodes can become highly congested. If node leave the service, the system is crippled. That's all. Thank you.